In today's video, we discuss how FDA regulates cosmetics claims and the risk that FDA could regulate your cosmetics as a drug. Every cosmetics company has to worry about this because cosmetics claims are very limited by federal law. And in order to market their products, cosmetics companies often want to say a lot more about their products than the FDA will allow. The trick is to navigate the regulatory environment by being somewhat aggressive in your claims, but not so aggressive that the FDA will slam you to the regulatory mat. That's where legal strategy comes in. I'm Michael H. Cohen, founding attorney of the Cohen Healthcare Law Group. We've counseled over 1,000 healthcare and FDA law clients with healthcare and FDA legal claims. We've helped them respond to FDA warning letters when necessary. We also help healthcare industry clients with medical devices, dietary supplements, cosmetics, and OTC drugs. We're going to talk about 3 things today in this video. 1, how FDA looks at your content. 2, the kinds of claims that you can make for your cosmetics products. And 3, the key difference between claims you can make for dietary supplements and claims the FDA will let you make for cosmetics. First, how FDA looks to its net impression of total content. These words are important. Net impression, total content. It isn't just one thing that you say about your cosmetics product, it's everything that you say taken as a whole. And what the FDA looks for is the intended use of the product. Are you marketing the product as a drug, that is, to treat a disease or disease symptom? To gather its net impression, the FDA looks at all the marketing material, including statements on the label and in the marketing materials, including the product website. Even the title of the product can make an implied disease claim. For example, a claim that the product helps you remove cellulite, regrow your hair, or mitigate symptoms of diabetes. These are all disease or drug claims, and if in the title, will suggest that the intended use for the product is as a drug. Second, the FDA allows very limited claims for cosmetics products. On its web article, are some cosmetic products promising too much? The FDA gives very limited examples of the claims cosmetics companies can make. These examples are cleanses skin, enhances beauty, promotes attractiveness, alters appearance. These are very limited categories of claims. Moisturizing the skin is considered a valid claim, for example, but treating skin warts is not. Always remember the legal definition of cosmetic. Cosmetics are, among other things, articles intended to be rubbed, poured, sprinkled, sprayed upon, introduced to, or otherwise applied to the human body for cleansing, beautifying, promoting attractiveness, or altering the appearance. Again, in a nutshell, all you can say about a cosmetic is whatever falls within this legal definition. The products are for cleansing, beautifying, promoting attractiveness, or altering the appearance. Third, dietary supplements can make structure function claims, whereas cosmetics cannot. The FDA explains, structure function claims may describe the role of a nutrient or dietary ingredient intended to affect the normal structure or function of the human body. For example, calcium builds strong bones. In addition, such claims may characterize the means by which a nutrient or dietary ingredient acts to maintain structure or function. For example, fiber maintains bowel regularity, or antioxidants maintain cell integrity. If a cosmetics company makes a structure function claim, the FDA considers that a drug claim. A claim such as supports the immune system is a structure function claim. Again, you can make a structure function claim for a dietary supplement, but not for a cosmetic product. So, while you can say, for example, that your echinacea supplement supports the immune system, you can't stick that same echinacea ingredient in a cosmetic and then claim that the cosmetic product supports the immune system. Many cosmetics companies miss this distinction and get in trouble with the FDA because the cosmetics manufacturer is making prohibited claims for their cosmetics product. Thanks for watching. If you still have questions, and again, You surely might, because these rules are very nuanced. Then click on the link below, cohenhealthcarelaw.com/contact, to send us a message or book an appointment. Here's to the success of your cosmetics or other healthcare venture. We look forward to connecting with you soon.